if a guru is a worshipper of Radharani, all gurus are Vaishnava Kripambudi. All gurus, all Vaishnavas, Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, they are Ambudi, ocean of Kripa, mercy. Radharani is Karunamai, she's ocean of compassion. Or she's saturated with compassion, she's inside out, everything compassion. Karunamai, Radha. But the guru is a dasi of Radharani. The guru is a dasi of Radharani. A Palyadasi or Padadasi of Radharani. That type of guru, how much karuna that guru will represent? Because he's directly serving the lotus feet of the ocean of compassion, Srimati Radharani. Every guru is full of compassion, and every guru is a Kripa Shakti Murti. Shastras are saying, Guru Sarup means Kripa Shakti Murti of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. He's a Kripa Shakti Murti. He's a form of, he's a walking, he, she, whomever. He or she is a walking, talking form of Krishna before us, giving mercy by words, by glance, by prasad, anything, any association. Sadhusanga, sarva shastra hoy, lavamatra. Lavamatra, small time. Sadhusanga, sarva siddhi hoy. Perfection. Perfection means what? Bhagavan Sharanagati. That is perfection. If you associate with a sadhvi or a sadhu, and they bring, and by their kripa comes out of you, I want to surrender to Krishna. That means you got the mercy. So, follow your rag and pray to Krishna, then Krishna will manifest your Sadguru, and you surrender to your Sadguru and become Sat Shishya, start in this life, or maybe carrying on from last life, and then carry on next life. Janmi Jami say, Ye Prabhu's. How's it go?
Janmi Prabhu say.
Thank you. Janmi Janami Prabhu say, birth after birth you are my master. That's not a poem from a Narottam Bhajan. This is Tattva Siddhanta.